Hey guys, how's it going? Let's talk about AEW Rampage from the 24th of February 2023. Firstly, and as always, this video in no way has been designed to deceive anyone. There is no actual footage in this video. This video is audio only, and these are my audio only live highlights and updates from what has taken place in tonight's episode of AEW Rampage. It's Friday night, and you know what that means. Welcome to Friday Night Rampage. AEW Rampage is on the air, and I can tell you that I will keep you posted during this hour. I am also doing other things, but I can tell you that at the start of the show, we had a match, and it led to a confrontation between the Elite and the House of Black. The House of Black teasing the Elite. They obviously want a shot at the Trios Championship, and will they get it? We'll have to find out. Anything else, I will also keep you guys posted as best as I can during the next hour. Stay tuned for more.